Cool. Cool. Is this thing on? Okay. So yeah, we're making it out. We are in upstate New York now. Made it a day early. We are visiting my sister-in-law's family. We're going to be up here for about 3-ish weeks and basically just trying to find some cool locations and getting there. I have unfortunately been out for like 5 minutes before I already crashed my drone. Luckily, I was able to fix it and get it up in the air again, but more or less just to test it. Anyhow, drones are freaking expensive because wind coming off of that was enough to blow it completely sideways into the tree. So I am only going to be flying that in a nice open field, but I do have a spot in mind that I will be flying that in a couple weeks. I don't know, before we leave. It's a really cool spot, but I will share that with you guys in the future. As for now, I am just gonna kind of go ride around a little bit, just kind of shake out the nerves, because it has been a heck of a week before we left, as well as just kind of getting here. Also, I will share some clips of anything I did get on the way up here at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so this has made up for it. Bear Creek Harbor, Memorial Point Park. Essentially, right on the other side of that lake is Canada. So, yeah, this makes up for crashing the drone. Still kind of butthurt about that, but let's go out here and see what this all has to offer, as well as definitely not flying the drone here because, as you can see by that flag, it is way too windy. Crazy that this is Canada.